Hi friends, namhlanje ndifuna senze irregular and irregular polygons. Now before we get to the fun part, I want to explain a few keywords to you guys that will help you understand polygons much better. Firstly, yintoni i-polygon? Polygon is a shape with straight sides only. So if le shape yakho i-flat, number 1, number 2 ivalekile, and number 3 onke amacala wayo are straight, you must know that that shape is a polygon. Now kwi-polygons we have regular and we have irregular polygons. Ne? Starting with irregular polygons zakho. I usually call irregular polygon the usual shape. Why do I call it the usual shape? Because irregular polygons, unlike irregular polygons, zona irregular polygons you are able to identify immediately. We wanna zisuka indoba le shape i-pentagon, le i-quadrilateral, le i-hexagon, i-octagon, njalo njalo. Ne? And also, a regular polygon is a shape that has straight sides only, with all the sides the same length. That means the polygon ukwazi ukuyibona immediately ba yintoni igama layo, uzawufumanisa indoba onke amacala wayo atheni ayalingana. I-irregular polygon yona i-shape nayo etheni enamacala a-straight odwa, but amacala wayo atheni wona awalingani. Ne? And also irregular polygon awukwazi uyibona immediately ba yeyiphi kanye kanye le polygon. You need to count the number of sides. Ba ina 5 sides uyayazi into ba yi-pentagon. Now we go to the fun part of the lesson. I hope you enjoy.